Hello, buongiorno. Today I will be explaining the ins and outs of the exciting country of Italy. This will be helpful for your trip to the beautiful country. This presentation will provide you with tips and information that will show you how friendly and welcoming Italians are to foreigners. Greeting in Italian. Italy is an enthusiastic country, so saying hello means everything to an Italian. They love to see you and love to greet you hello. Buongiorno is the English equivalent to hello, good day. Buonasera is what you would say to someone in the evening. Each are typically accompanied by a handshake and a smile. People in Italy will greet you in passing, when you come into a room or a store, and even if you just glance over at someone. They are a very welcoming group of people. It's in their culture. Italian people are notorious for giving each other a kiss on the cheek to welcome and say goodbye to others. Communication. Italian is the language of Italy. They speak very loud and very fast. Different regions of Italy have different dialects of Italian, so it is common for Italians from different regions to be unable to speak to one another through their dialects. A large population of Italians speak English, so this will help you if you cannot speak Italian. Personal space. Italians do not require a lot of personal space. In America, it is typical to respect others and stay at a fair distance away. In Italy, what is personal space? When people first greet each other, it is common to grab each other's arms and backs for an extended period of time. Close friends and family often kiss each other's cheeks to say hello. Italians are very open to talking to new people and love to get to know others, like familia. Business tips. Punctuality is not a priority to Italians. They like to take their time. So being patient with your counterparts will do wonders for your trip. Respecting their time and the amount of time they will take will allow you to be respected by them as well. Flexibility is important. Looking professional is also a huge priority in Italian culture. They are a fashion icon throughout the world, so it is important to look presentable and well put together. Formal attire is expected for business meetings. Gift giving is not very common, so you will not have to provide large, extravagant gifts. They will most likely give you a small token of their appreciation after the business trip, possibly a liqueur and a dinner. This shows their hospitality and appreciation. Italy will be a great destination for your business trip getaway. The culture is hospitable and welcoming, so bonding with the locals will be a breeze. Look out for cues from the locals that draw you in for a handshake, hug, or kiss on the cheek. And don't fret if they are not on time. Riposo is real. That is their culture's daily nap/break.